Hey, what's going on, guys? Do you guys want a smaller tablet? Not to mention for projects, if you want to do like an in-dash display in your car, if you want just a smaller tablet for your children, not having a big 10-inch one, are you using it for a smart home remote, then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one's going to be for the Vastking Kingpad SA8 8-inch tablet. It has Android 10.0. It has a octa-core CPU with a full 1080p HD display. It is again a 8-inch tablet with an IPS touchscreen, has 3 gigs of RAM plus 32 gigs of storage space, premium metal design with a rear camera of 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel front camera, and the Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Guys, just like all my unboxing and review videos, after the video is done, you guys can read more about it. Pick one up yourself in the description box below the video. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked as well. Again, that link is going to be in the description box below. Let's get this out. Let's see what she can do. All right, let's get this guy on open here. We have our tablet right on top, which we're just going to set out of the way just one brief moment. Let's get the boring stuff out of the way first. Inside this little pull tab here, little box, we have ourselves a pen tool here, a free 2-year warranty extension, the quick start guide, our manual, and in this box, I'm guessing we're going to have our charging cable, etc. And very nice, they actually give you a wall adapter. Most companies do not give that to you anymore. So it's a 2-prong plug to a USB, and then about a 2.5–3 foot USB to a USB Type-C charging cable plug there. Here's a couple specifications. You guys can pause that if you want, but we'll run over a couple of these just briefly. The GPU is an IMG 8322, again, octa-core 1.6 gigahertz. There is the chipset, resolution 1920 by 1200. You can expand the external memory up to 128 gigabytes, 3 gigs of RAM, once again, a 4,000 milliamp battery, dual speakers, Type-C. We have an earphone port and a micro SD card slot, obviously. Again, 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. The weight is 510 grams. There's the dimensions, and Bluetooth is 4.2. All right, coming over to the tablet here. This is obviously the good stuff here. So it does have a plastic protective cover here. So that obviously is not the actual cover. That's just, you know, obviously for shipping purposes. So it is right off the bat looking really sharp. That actually feels good in my hand. It looks like one of the original iPhones or iPads, and I really like that because I remember when the iPad first came out, it had kind of a little bit thicker of a bezel up top, as you can see there. So that's just bezel space. Trying not to get the glare on there, but as you can see, a very thin bezel space up here, 8 inches across, a little bit thicker of a bezel on the right-hand side as well, and flipping it over here to a nice back. It looks good up here, a little bit more rugged fill up here, and then a smooth metal texture, aluminum or metal, whatever that might be. It says a premium metal design. We have the power button up here, our volume up and down right here, our rear camera, our Vastking logo right there, model number, etc. here at the bottom. Coming around to the right-hand side is going to be our buttons, again right here. And this right here is going to be your reset hole right there. Coming down the edge, nothing there. Coming to the bottom is going to be our dual speakers with our earphone input, our USB Type-C charging port. Coming around over here to this side is just going to be a sleek edge, nothing there. And the top of it is just going to have our external card slot right here. That pulls out, as we can see right there. And lastly, on the front, we have our front 5 megapixel camera right there with no other touch buttons. It's going to be a complete ISP touch display. So we're going to go ahead and fully charge this and then take it through the test runs. We're not going to be able to record too much, but let's listen into the tablet's speakers here because of copyright. Now remember, if you are coming from a high-end phone, obviously this is not going to compare. So with that in mind, for gameplay, for your security cameras, for just watching a quick tutorial in the garage, definitely will work just fine. Again, so what I would do with this personally is this is going to be, obviously, you know, most of us have our phone, but since it is a smaller tablet, I plan to actually use this, incorporate this in some sort of project, a DIY project for a go-kart or something like that, and have this as like a display where I can watch videos through the hotspot on my phone, show the speed of my go-kart, etc. Let's go ahead and get out of here. Now, before I do that, I do use this for my security cameras, as we can see here. Now, again, if you are coming, remember, if you are coming from a high-end phone, high-end Apple device, my Samsung S20 Plus, then obviously the screen resolution and everything is going to be much different, but this is still nice. But just keep that in mind. The price range is a lot different. So as you can see here, here is my backyard cameras, as we can see here. So you can go ahead and view that as you're working. You can go ahead and view that on the go. Here is my indoor camera here, as we can see with a nice little night shot there. So you literally can just have this over on the side of your work area, etc. Have that for your project. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably mount that in my go-kart, kind of like that, put a nice little stainless steel frame around it and be able to watch the YouTube videos. So let's go ahead and go back to YouTube and be able to, again, watch your tutorial videos. This is just music right here, but we can expand this, of course. So as you can see here, we will just go ahead and talk over this, so we're not going to get a copyright. And looking really nice there with the colors as well. So again, guys, it's going to be a nice budget-friendly tablet. It does have some nice colors, and sorry if my lighting is not capturing that perfectly or not. It has all of the functions of an Android tablet, all your settings, Google Play Store, but I'm just letting you know what I'm going to be using this for, and that is for my security cameras for right now, and then incorporate this in a DIY project. Overall, the build is nice. I do, again, like the feel of it. It's thin. The only other problem, I guess, is the fingerprints on the black screen, as we can see there. But just like all phones, it's just like that. So you got to have a microfiber cloth, clean that up. I do like the USB Type-C charging port and the headphone jack as well. That is nice. The video quality isn't very good. I'm just going to be honest with you. We'll incorporate a clip right now, but this will give you guys a little bit of an understanding. This will be my thumbnail shot right here. It's a little fuzzy, but again, I'm coming from a very high-end phone or phones, so just understand that as well. Guys, if you guys want to read more about it, pick one up yourself. Anything I missed in the video spec-wise, go ahead and look in the description box below once again for this exact same link for the Vastking 8-inch tablet. But please don't go into debt for anything that I do promote on the channel. But if you guys have the cash and you're intrigued, go ahead and purchase on the way. That, again, link is below. Thumbs that video up if it's helped you make an informed decision, and subscribe on your way out, guys. I appreciate you. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.